I scored full marks in the Infosys Springboard Programming Fundamentals using Python Part 1 assessment. And if you also want full marks, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I am sharing the exact answer to the Programming Fundamentals using Python Part 1 assessment. No explanations, no confusion, just direct correct answers. So watch the video till the end and make sure you don't miss any questions. Let's get started. What is the output of the below Python code? Note, assume that necessary imports have been done. Correct answer is 3. What would be the output of following Python code? Correct answer is option C. What does the below Python code do? Correct answer is option 2. Choose an expression from the options given which would give the same logical outcome for the expression given below. Correct answer is option 2. What will be the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option 3. What will be the output of below Python code? Correct answer is option 1. What is the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option 2. Consider below Python codes. Which of the above codes will produce below output? Correct answer is option 2. What would be the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option 1. What is the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option 1. Consider a Python dictionary which represents a ship's crew. Jack has been promoted as a captain and new member Tom has joined as a co-captain. What code should be written in order to have these details updated in the dictionary? Choose two correct options from below. Correct answer is option 2 and option 3. Consider the marks list given below. Identify the Python code to be written in the line 1 such that the output is. Correct answer is option 1. What will be the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option C. What will be the output of the below Python code? Correct answer is option 2. When the values of var1 is equal to 7, var equal to 6 and var3 is equal to 3, which among the following logical expressions would be false? Correct answer is option 3. So we have solved all the questions. Now let's finish the assessment. Here you can see I have scored full marks in the Infosys Springboard Programming Fundamentals using Python Part 1 assessment. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I will be uploading more Infosys Springboard assessment solution videos very soon. Thanks for watching and all the best for your certification.